2 days or 3 days. Last week, I hope. What happened is, every day morning, my breakfast is 3 eggs I will take, and then ragi malt I will take. But sometimes ragi malt not available. Then I will take 2 idlis. Yes, the Raghavendra there in my Thiruvanam building, then I will go there 2 idlis. That's no oil food like. So usually I'm taking. But one time, once I go to the hotel, everyone is taking full what we call puri like. I felt that at least one day I have to take the puri. Like almost I decided that day I want to take the puri. Just I'm at the bill counter. There is a person who sat in the chair. He is feeling some problem, health issue. Morning at 9 o'clock only, dosto. 9 o'clock after completing our session. Then everyone thought that that it fits. Like they are keeping the key and so on. Okay, so after few minutes, that person came to consciousness, and he's taking the mobile, and then he's taking in his pocket. But again, he's facing the problem. Then automatically is keeping on the heart, so not in a position to breathe. Immediately, so the people, he had some 2 persons are there, known persons only there. Immediately they made a phone call to ambulance. Then ambulance has to come. Then I told, hey, just beside only prime hospital, just bring bike or auto, just beside only like. Meanwhile, that person died there. Upon they tried like anything, CVR they did. That what is that word? See, for the heart they are going to press. What is that one?
CPI, na?
CPR they did. Okay, CPR they did. They tried like anything, but that person before going to the hospital only he died. Now observe that heart attack, most of the times cholesterol, BP, these kind of things only. BP, cholesterol, these kind of things are oily food, especially puri, these kind of things only the problems are going to come. Then I thought I want to eat today compulsory puri, but by seeing that scenario, no, only idli like. Observe that I require to get the feeling, then definitely I'm going to change. You have to create such type of scenario. Then definitely that person is going to be changed, Sharon.